Okay guys, so tayo ay magtatayo lang po na maglaro ng Uncharted 4. So ito po yung aking latest video. So medyo change career muna tayo guys from biking. So try natin itong performance ng bagong PC na binild namin ng anak ko nitong November. So I am recording pala using the Action 5 Pro, na ito rin po yung ginamit ko sa biking journey ko. So now let us somehow use this camera okay, as webcam. So then we are going to play Uncharted 4. So actually medyo naglalaro na ako kanina, kaya nga lang nagkaroon ako ng konting difficulty dito sa setting ng OBS. So ngayon let us try to play. So ang game pala natin ngayon ay Uncharted 4. So ito yung part 4 po ng
Nate, over here.
yan, adventure ni Nate or ni Nathan Drake. So sabi noon ako maganda daw itong game na ito. So daming tao guys. Nako po, nahuli na tayo ng kalaban.
I think that's Sam's tower.
Nako po. So currently hanapin natin si Sam
tower.
kasi yung kalaban natin, na-track na tayo kung nasaan na tayo. So using the GPS,
Excuse me.
kailangan natin mapuntahan si Sam. Si Rafe yung kalaban nila
Find out.
si Rafe tsaka si Nadine. Kasama pala niya si Sullivan.
Sorry, pal.
Come on,
So
down here, Nate.
sa pelikula natin ang daming kalaban guys. Okay tayo. Buti easy mode lang itong yan ako sined ko. Tayo yan. Tayo. Tago guys. Tayo. Kaya natin ng pampasabog. Sige. Tara tayo dito. Ako tayo. Makakuha natin ng yun. Sige. Sabugin natin to guys. Hindi natin to kakayanin ng baril lang. So wala ng grenade. Naku po, not working daw. Tayo. Delikado. Takbo tayo dito. Tayo. Po. The stairs daw.
So, having fun yet?
Real blast.
tayo. Grabe, buti easy lang ang nilaro ko guys. Hindi, patay na tayo dito. Uy! Tayo dito. Ado. Saan tayo, uy? Si Suli. Sali, nasan ka na? Saan pa tayo, Sali? Uy. Pwede may kalabang pala dito. Sali, nasan ka ba? Ayun, doon pala dapat. Takbo! Tayo. Okay. Sige, sa kotse. Yan.
How do we get the sale?
Tayo dito, naku po. Ano?
Brilliant.
Nathan, more of them.
What happened?
Oh, Christ.
Naghang ah. May naghang. Kado tayo.
Get out of the way!
Whoa. Careful. Damn, it's that goddamn truck again. Crap.
Kado tayo.
Main tower's at the bottom of this hill. Keep going down.
Keep going down daw. Keep going down. Sabi kayo. Opo. Kado. Tayo dito.
Main tower's at the bottom of this hill. Keep going down. God damn it.
Oy.
You gotta shake that truck.
Working on it!
Hey, that was clean long.
Nathan watching again!
Tayo. Hindi, keep going daw eh. Sabihin.
Hang on!
Sabi ah.
You going?
You're the one who said just head down!
Down.
Through!
Ay!
Really a
Tabi
great
kayo
idea,
dyan.
Nate.
Do you want to drive?
Oh, you're
Sorry,
just
sorry
fine.
kayo. Tabi-tabi
See?
muna.
I got it.
Grabe ah.
Crap! These guys don't give up. Okay, through here.
Oh, stop.
Saan? Ah, okay. Ay,
Sit
tutula.
down. Go.
Alis na kayo dyan. Ayaw nyo po. Ay, ako. Hindi talaga dito, guys. Liko tayo, liko. Saan ba tayo liliko?
I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now?
Saan tayo?
Upstairs.
Ah. So, dito. Okay. Saan? Ah, dito. Stairs daw.
Here we go.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Man, Rafe really wants us out of the picture.
Oh, where now? Oh, hindi. Kado, pababa tayo, pababa. Downhill daw eh, downhill.
I think we lost him.
Hey,
Ako
Nate.
po.
Yeah?
we can never, ever come back to this city.
Add it to the list.
Ah,
Kado tayong hirap nito. Oy, naku, patay tayo.
Really?
Ay, naku po.
go around.
Oh, so, where? I'm going. Naku po, patay tayo.
We need to keep heading downhill.
Keep downhill. So paano na?
Hang on.
Sorry, fellas. First time driver here. Yeah, we'll be out of your way in a second.
Okay, sige. Ano tayo? Grabe ah. Kapal ng mukha natin ah.
See that truck get past that?
Patay tayo.
Come right, come right. Wait,
Don't worry, I got this.
got this, I got this.
No, I don't got this!
Oh! Grabe ah. Grabe ah. Grabe ah.
Oh, shit.
Sorry po, sorry. Isa na tayo. Tayo muna, nakit muna tayo dito yung tower. Oh.
Close. Keep an eye out for Sam.
Hey, I think that's him. Right there.
Naku po, yung si Sam.
Hold on!
What do you think I've been doing?
Okay. Okay, malapit na ito matapos guys.
Just keep
Okay,
following
ito
that
rin yung sa
gun.
Lost Legacy.
Man, you think they sent enough goons after us?
Well,
Hindi.
we're still alive, so...
Malayo pa to siguro. So, saan na tayo guys? Saan tayo?
There they are.
See any way to get to Sam?
Not yet. We're running out of road, kid.
I know.
Wala pa.
Hey. Hey.
Why? Oh, sige, dito tayo sa gilid.
Here, take the wheel.
What? Get out of your goddamn mind.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, grabe ah. Grabe ah. Grabe naman adventure na itong tibay ng katawan na ito guys. Grabe ah. Naku po. Okay. No, babaril ka pa. Ah! Ano nga setting. Ang lakas ng katawan eh. Grabe. Buhay pa din eh. Delikado. Gagawin natin dito. SLT. Grabe ah. Sana na. Sa likod pala guys. Alam ko hindi pwede sa likod. Grabe ah. Okay. Grabe. Grabe, one hand ah. Ako, wala na tayong bala guys. Tayo pa pala. Saan? Naku, wala na tayong baril. Ay tayo. Ay, nako. Mali tayo. Tete, kailangan palang dating yan. Kailangan palang pumunta sa ano. Oh, saan na tayo?
Time to bail.
Aba.
Christ.
Tuloy tayo. Gado! Tete, nilipat pala sa kotse. Okay, now I know. Gawin ko. Tindi, ang lakas eh. Kala. Ayun na si Sam! Sam! Dito ka na!
Sam! Sam! Get closer! Fine! Right, okay! Hop on!
Grabe ah, adventure to ah.
Sam, get in the goddamn car! I'm faster! Stop arguing! Watch out! Oh, shit!
Ako po! Patay. Naku po, bilisan nyo. Adventure to ah. Grabe ah. Napaka-intense ng action scene na yun ah. Oh, naku po.
Get out of here!
Anong gagawin? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Okay. Okay. Saan?
No blimmin' way he could have survived that.
White Johnson. Damn it. That's not good.
Holy shit!
Grabe ah, ang tibay mo ah. Grabe. Ako, ito na naman. Ako po.
Hop on!
Grabe naman to guys.
Here, take this!
Grabe ah. Unlimited guns. Unlimited ammo pala. Ay ah. Grabe ah. Grabe ah. Grabe ah.
Holy shit! Yeah. You good? Yeah.
Tawanan lang sila para wala nangyari guys ah.
Let's get out of here.
Nasaan yung Sully? Saan na kaya siya? Buhay pa kaya yun? So ayan. So So, yan na po ang ating gameplay ng Uncharted 4. So, medyo nag-enjoy naman din po kahit papaano. Yan. Pero talagang ano pa rin ako. Retro pa rin tayo, guys. Solid tayong retro. So, anyway, tatapusin natin tong game na to sa mga susunod na araw. So, sige guys. See you. Quit ko na ito. So, bye-bye everyone. Keep safe.